Hey guys, before we start the show, can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram? I appreciate it so much and thank you for your support. And please continue to the video. Tuning back into SOROK show. So today on iPhone Tipsy, I will show you guys some tips and tricks for photos in your iPhone. I will put in a bonus tips and tricks, and please don't skip it to the bonus part, okay? Just watch the whole thing and probably it will help you a lot in managing your photos. So without further ado, let's start the tips and tricks. Alright guys, first things first, click on Safari or Google Chrome, whichever that you have in your phone, and search for any website that you want to screenshot so you can change it from PDF to your files. And here I screenshot using my cursor. Alright, one screenshot, I open on full page. So it will show like full page of it, so you can turn it to PDF and save it to your files. Alright, the second tips will be on hiding your photos, guys. So I select 3 photos right now. Okay, then I scroll down and hide it. Hide. And then I can even unhide it back by going to the hidden album. And unhide it. To share photos with your friends without letting them know about the location and the information of the photo, click a photo and click down there. Press on the options on top and turn off all the locations and the data. To quickly share a screenshot any photos that you want. And then tap and hold and share. You can dismiss it by swiping to the left. Okay guys, you need 2 hands for this. So your left thumb will be selecting the photos at the bottom of the page, and then your right thumb will be tapping on the top of the iPhone screen. So it will be like simultaneously, and you will select all the photos from top to bottom. And then you can, do whatever that you want with it. Even save to files and copy items. And also you can click on the options and turn off the location for it. Bonus round! Okay, to hide any photos from your boyfriend or girlfriend or your spouse or your husband or wife, click on a photo and click down there. And then press notes. And then you can fill up any information that you want or in any new note and then save it. Open back your notes and then find back for the photo and click on the top right. And then lock note. Okay, once you lock note, you will see a new screen saying like a password or verify and even hint and user face ID. So you can enable or disable face ID untuk unlock the note. So put in any password that you think is safe, and then remember before you click done, you have to put in the hint so you remember password apa yang korang letak tu. I put in ABC and then OK, and then there you go, you have an icon on top on the right, and then whenever that you lock the note, orang tak boleh tengok from outside of the notes, and if you unlock it, you can see it. So okay, go back to the photos and delete it. So once korang dah delete, korang tengok tak ada gambar tu dalam album. So go back to notes, my face ID detected. Okay, press on the top right and save back the image. And then you open back your photos and you can see the image is down there. Ta-da! So how was it, guys? I hope you liked the video and I hope you like the tips and tricks for your photos in your iPhone, okay? Now I know and you know where to hide those photos, huh? But don't blame me, okay, if you get caught. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel And please follow me on Instagram. There you go. And please click the like button for this video and comment down below if you have any questions. I will literally answer them all if I can, whenever I can, and I can do it. And thank you so much guys, because I just hit 100 subscribers, okay? And I appreciate it so much guys, really I do. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and please share it with your friends. Share it, just share this video. It doesn't cost you a dime. Thank you so much.